Solve the 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1 when x is an integer, x is a real number. We have 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. Adding 3 on both sides of inequality. Okay. Implies 5x less than 3x plus 4. Adding minus 3x both sides of inequality, then 5x minus 3x less than 3x plus 4 minus 3x equal implies that 2x implies that 2x less than 4. Dividing to both sides of inequality, then x less than r. Here x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma to closed interval.